Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Toyota RAV4 Maintenance Light 2022, updated. Press the trip meter button until the odometer is displayed, then turn the key to on without starting the engine. Press and hold the trip button for about 10 seconds until the maintenance light begins to blink or resets. Release the button, then turn the ignition off and start the vehicle to confirm the light is cleared and indicators return to normal. Start with the vehicle parked and the parking brake engaged for safety, then switch the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the left or right buttons on the steering wheel or dash to navigate to the maintenance or oil info screen, depending on your model. When the correct screen appears, press and hold the trip or reset button until the indicator blinks or disappears, then switch the ignition off and restart to confirm the reset. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips and how-tos. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a clear, entertaining guide to saving, investing, and making wiser money choices, and it pairs well with car ownership advice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick up a copy if you want a solid money primer, and now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light does not reset after following the on-screen procedure, verify you used the right display option for oil or maintenance data. Try repeating the button hold routine with the ignition in the on position, ensuring steady pressure for the full 10 seconds. If the light still persists, consider a battery disconnect as a last resort or seek help from a dealer or qualified technician to avoid inadvertently clearing important service records or triggering other warnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.